Here we go now. Oh yeah. Alright guys, bang. Let's play some Bloodstars Online. Yeah. But we're not gonna be playing in this rack. No. We're gonna be playing in the stube. The process being worked on. My little friend, the tank. Now, if you can notice, it's not done yet. But we are going to test drive it. Put some wheels on it. Save it. Back. Now, let me show you what I plan on putting on it. So, I already have this much. No, I don't want this much done. This is what I want. I'm going to add some of those. I need one. I need about 4. In order to do the and what? Sure, why not? Let it load. Done. It's done. Good. So, get back. We're gonna go test drive this car. Yeah, guys, my internet sucks this morning. Ooh, hey, how about that? Oh no! I want to still save. I want to tell people on YouTube. Yep. Recording a YouTube video. So we are with Palm Feirong Bit versus Blocky Boss. A bunch of Chinese. Medator 77. Beast. We got Palm over there. Oh, we ditched it. It's level 2. Yeah, you can go ahead. Go into biz. Oh shit. I'm gonna go take a level 2, you guys, and do it ever. I don't fly. So woo. But yeah, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment. As always. Don't forget to check Noah's channel. Oh, you want to snap at me? Blocky car boss. This. Where you going, buddy? Connection lost. Great. Just effing great. I'm actually gonna make this a little better, so I'll it's a little better. That is what I want to buy. this thing right here. 1,000. Amazing, man. Just amazing. I think it looks good for now. There's a keyword in that sentence. For now. Let's go see if we can get lucky with another fight. So I'm gonna pause this video until I'm gonna get a good match going. And welcome to another good match. I say so, I really don't know because I don't know what I'm teamed up with and what I'm going against. So there's Jackson, JJ, what? Don't ask. Nico, Chinese letters, player 31312. JJ over there. Oh. Yes. Voice connection is lost. My Wi-Fi hates me today. Are you serious? My Wi-Fi just hates me today. Like, I'd like a battle for the subscribers. For the YouTubers, people. I absolutely hate this map. I'm gonna go for it. Ready. Oh, no, madam. It's actually like 11:30 p.m. right now. I am so tired. But it's for you guys right now, so let's do this. So it is me, Ronnie, Shadow, COC, 1 and P. Oh, nice. We got bricks, we got tank, we got. Are you serious? Apparently it doesn't want you guys watching my YouTube videos. Try to do deathmatch. I don't know. I'm just gonna do a test car. So I can fight the zombie. Oh god, this map is huge, people. With no name tags, it's gonna be hard to find the zombie. Let's see how fast. It's pretty slow. One. To the zombie. See, do you see how much power this? This tank is a beast. But this video is kind of a fail. I didn't get the battle because my Wi-Fi hated me for some reason. But we still had to something. But yeah, this is just the beginning. If you want to see more of these videos, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, check out Nobody Person, who won our first challenge. But it doesn't matter. Oh, we're still gonna kill him. I like the animation. Think up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Bye. While he disappears, I'm gonna end this video here. It was nice talking to you guys again. Leave a comment. Tell me how your day was so far. If you like this series. Woo, victory shots. I will see all you guys in the next video. See you later, you Canadians.